review team look at it again. Okay. And then submit it. And so this is part of the presentation as well, but I wanted to again talk about the fact that you need a research vision and education vision for your career. And this is really important to think deeply about. So you should be able to complete these statements. What is my vision? My vision for my career as a researcher is to do what? My vision for my career as an educator is to do what? And there's some orienting questions that are again within the video that can help you to think about, you know, what these statements mean to you and how to craft them so that they clearly talk about what you want to do. There must be alignment and integration between research and education, and a connection between the two that is evident. Alignment with your organization, in my case that's FIU, and also alignment with NSF and the program. And for this program, I actually have two programs that I mentioned. My primary is BMMB, and as a secondary, I have EBMS. I don't have this in the video, but I did want to go through quickly the proposal structure that I used. Now, this is your proposal, so you have to figure out what's right for you. How do you tell your story properly? But this is the organizational structure that I use for my proposal, starting with that executive summary, going through how I envisioned my career, having a career management plan that extended beyond the career, and I'll show a quick picture of that. Talking about the proposed research program, talking about research and education and their integration, and then going into the education program, and then closing out talking about the external evaluation, the intellectual merit and broader impacts, as well as results from prior NSF support. On those two criteria, the intellectual merit and broader impacts, I wrote out, you know, specific intellectual contributions from both the research and the education, as well as the broader impacts from both the research and education, because just thinking about the work that's being done, it's meant to impact both areas in broad ways. And lastly, before we send you out to the breakout rooms, this is how I envision the project management timeline, with the two research objectives, the two education objectives, the time during the career proposal, and also beyond the career. So again, this proposal you're writing is talking about your career overall. And so you should be able to tie it into your bigger picture vision and show how this will set you up for the things that you want to do afterwards. And I'll stop sharing and turn it over to Ryan.